In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sidewalk paint using a few simple ingredients from around the house. You'll need cornstarch, water, food coloring in the primary colors, that's blue, red, and yellow, a measuring spoon, that's 1 tablespoon, and some paintbrushes. You'll also need some small containers to keep your paint in. You also could use a cupcake tin. Into each container you're going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, into each container you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Stir it up, and that's going to be the base of your sidewalk paint. This is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio, so 1 part cornstarch to 1 part water. If you want to make larger amounts of this, you would use a larger amount of each cornstarch and water. To make the primary and the secondary colors, I'm going to put 2 drops of food coloring into each cup. To make blue, I'll add 2 drops of blue, yellow, 2 drops of yellow, and red, 2 drops of red. To make orange, put in 1 drop of red and 1 drop of yellow. To make green, 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of yellow. And to make purple, 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of red. There's a PDF with all the info for this project on my website. There's a link in the description box below. Then just give them all a stir. Grab your paintbrushes and let's go outside.
Hi friends, let's paint!
If you work slowly, you will be able to paint all sorts of pictures, but I've found that if you work too quickly, the paintbrushes can get quite gummy. So, take your time and have fun with the process. This is a great summertime activity that the whole family can get in on. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for other crafty ideas to do with your kids, be sure to check out my website. There's a link in the description box below. Thanks for watching!